Hi, this is Sanjay Parihar. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm a technologist. We always wanted to get very prominent faces from tour industry, and here we are with Meena Tilakraj. Thank you for joining our show, Meena ji.
Thank you.
Thank you
Hello,
very much.
everybody.
Hello.
Hello, Sanjay ji. Hello, Rohit.
Hello, ma'am.
I'm Meena Tilakraj. I call myself the storyteller guide of India.
Yeah.
Okay, and of course, I am the inner power optimizer because I do workshops also. And there is another word that I have coined, which is travelism.
Mhm.
So it's about the entire philosophy of travel. So I call myself the travelism expert also.
Great.
And I often talk to people about what is the philosophy of travel, what is the philosophy behind the process of travel, and how that philosophy applies to life, and you can make life much more interesting when you apply that. So that is my own, invention or whatever you can call it.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
I call myself the travelism expert also.
Absolutely, and it's much more than that. Your name is very big on the travel industry for sure.
Thank you very much.
Now, and the same line which you just mentioned, I would take the liberty to ask this question to you: is there's always been inspiration, there's always been a motivation behind to do something, right? And that's what people separate from one to another. Uh, what is your inspiration? What is the thing which basically keeps you moving? And the reason why I'm asking, because in this COVID-19 period, right, this is a tough time, and your experience, when you share it, it will reach out to many audience and they will learn from it. This will definitely help people.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Please share the experience.
My experience, सबसे पहले तो I will say this journey was an uncharted journey. Absolutely.
Mhm.
It was not at all a planned journey that I will become a tour guide or something.
Mhm.
Even my subjects were not suitable for it. I was a science and maths student.
Oh, you were science and maths. Wow.
That's
Wow.
right. I was a science and maths student, and I was
Mhm.
preparing to be a doctor.
Uh-huh.
But my journey of a doctor was cut short because I was a healer as a child. And I used to absorb people's illnesses and fall sick myself. So that is the reason why our family doctor said, make sure that she does anything, but she does not become a doctor.
True.
Because ye bimar hoti rahegi.
Mhm, mhm.
So anyway, that got cut short. And whoever saw my horoscope would say, ye travel bahut karegi, ye travel bahut karegi. So it got dug into my mind that I will travel. And I used to love traveling,
Mhm.
even as a child.
Mhm.
जिसने जो तैयार होता था, पड़ोसी है, घर वाला है, कोई भी है, कहीं जाना, मैं भी आऊँ. You know, it was like I'm also there.
Mhm.
So I was always willing to travel, and but I never saw it as a profession. In fact, anyway, my professional career started with me being an air hostess first. I was an air hostess. That is also, connected to travel. Then after that, I was a model. I, worked for some travel agency for ticketing and all that also.
Mhm.
And I became a pioneer in 1984.
Mhm.
I was a pioneer in alternative education.
Mhm.
I used to do personality plus and effective
Oh, okay. Right.
change. And at that time, I started doing.
Mhm. Mhm.
Because I don't know why I felt that people don't do these things properly. So let me just, this was my
Sure.
forte.
Mhm.
So I started doing that, and I used to travel for this. And when I used to travel, the travel bug got me. And I said, but I enjoy traveling.
Yeah.
And coincidentally, there was an advertisement.
Mhm.
That advertisement, according to me, was the most crazy advertisement, was the most shabbily done advertisement. It just said housewives who love to meet people and who have time in their hands, please come. And everybody told me, don't you dare go. Pata nahi kya shady job hai. Don't go.
Mhm.
But I said, pata nahi, something within me told me, let me go. Let me see. And when I went, I see the address given was Government of India Tourism Department.
Wow. And there was no address. There was no address in the ad.
No, in the ad it was only post box. Okay. So it's very shady looking. Believe me, I wish I had a cutting of that ad. You know, and I went and they asked me a few questions for which I gave shameful answers, very embarrassing answers. And third question, I said, please don't ask me any more questions because you will be embarrassed also. And I am embarrassed. So they said, then in that case, you're not suitable for the job. I said, okay, nothing gained, nothing lost. So I was out, and they sent somebody to call me back. All of a sudden. I said, probably I've forgotten, left something. I said, I checked up everything. कुछ रह तो नहीं गया. सब कुछ था. तो I said, अब क्या हुआ? I hope I've not done anything wrong there. You know how it is. So I went there and they said, but you speak Italian, do you? I said, yes. What has that got to do with this? I said, no, but we need language speaking people. I said, but you haven't told me what is the job, what is to be done. You just told me that I'm not suitable. So they said, no, we'll train. I said, okay, I'll try and be a good student if you train me. Bhai sahab, training hui and it all went over my head. And exam हुआ and मैंने गिन के 20 क्वेश्चन में से 4 क्वेश्चन के आंसर दिए थे और बाकी सारा ब्लैंक था. And 4 या 5 या कुछ ऐसे. And I'm asking her, the lady who was sitting there, I said, grace marks मिलेंगे क्या?
Yeah.
She said, and she was so stern, you know, she said, you'll get what you've written. I said, okay, then so I'm failing. And I walked out. She said, at least write the questions. Never mind, fill up your paper. I said, no, it's pointless. I don't want to waste my time. And within 15 minutes, I was out of the hall. I went away. And I never went to check my result. Okay? Last day, I was that side and I saw the office. I said, yaar, आज last day result का, चलो देख ही लेते हैं. I went, I didn't see my name and I was going. And there was another girl still standing next to me. She said, what's your name? So and so. Why are you going? Your name is, I said, no, my name is not there. She's saying, it's there. See, it's there. I said, where? The last one. Last. It was the last. And it was with a C minus. I was the only one with a C minus. I said, oh, C minus last. ठीक है, आ गए. So I went up. I said, what next? She said, you passed. I said, yes, I passed. C minus. My name is last. She said, you better be careful. This lady always threatened me. You better be careful again, Chico. Okay. We had our, Viva Voce and all that. Viva Voce में कौन रोकेगा मीना को? They said, तुम बस में जा रही हो, you have to tell people what you see. I said, ठीक है, बता देते हैं, ये है, बता देते हैं. Okay. Then they took us to Elephanta. Now, Elephanta was my, गढ़ kind of. Because हम जाके देखे तो ये तो सारी शिव मूर्तियां हैं और शिव की कहानियां हैं और बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं कहानियां. Our grandmothers always tell us about Krishna and Hanuman and all.
Yeah.
तो हम तो शुरू हो गए. Non-stop. She said, how come you know all this? I said, because this is how I've grown up. You know?
Yeah.
And she said, you're in. I said, very good. In. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So that is how I started. But and I always tell people कि आप कोविड की चिंता मत करो.
जी.
Nothing happens without a reason. ये भी एक वजह से हुआ है. हम सब चिल्ला रहे थे कोविड के पहले, we want a new world, we want a new order, we want a new God, ये करप्शन बहुत हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया.
Right.
कभी ऐसे मैनकाइंड ने सुना है कि पूरी दुनिया रुक गई?
Not in 100 years.
नहीं सुना है.
नहीं.
Not in mankind history. आपने वो किताब पढ़ी होगी शायद एन रैंड की, एटलस श्रग्ड. Atlas Shrugged was about how this one man
Mhm.
made the whole of America stop because he wanted certain things to be corrected. You know?
Wow.
तो हमें वो याद आता है हमेशा कि
Yeah.
ये जो जिसने भी किया है नहीं किया है,
Mhm.
लेकिन इसमें कुछ ना कुछ है
Right.
और इसका रिजल्ट हमें बाद में पता लगेगा. तो ये
Right.
ट्रस्ट रखो कि विधि जो है ना वो बिना मतलब के कुछ नहीं करती और वो
Mhm.
गलत नहीं करती.
Mhm.
The intelligence of nature is not to be questioned,
Mhm. Mhm.
and there is a reason why this is
Mhm.
happening,
Mhm.
and that reason is good for the whole globe. नहीं तो पूरा दुनिया एक साथ में नहीं थम जाती.
एक साथ में नहीं जाता. Right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
So
Mhm.
that is my message even for COVID, for people also. कि
Mhm.
don't get scared.
Mhm.
On the contrary, make use of it.
Make use of
You know,
it.
अपने
Right.
आप को बढ़ाओ.
Right.
Learn something, do something, become bigger than what you are. कुछ भी, and don't think कि इसका कोई फायदा नहीं, because कुछ भी, जैसे मैंने इटालियन ऐसे ही सीखी.
Right. Right.
Similarly, कुछ भी सीखो.
Mhm.
तुम्हें पता नहीं है, the very fact that your mind has gone there, you never know where in future you will be using it.
Right. Right.
At this age, I am learning online marketing.
Wow. Really? Oh wow. That's amazing. That's
I'm
amazing.
learning online marketing. I'm learning digital, how to do digital
Branding.
programs and all that.
Yeah.
I'm doing all that because मुझे नहीं पता, शायद I will be traveling, but maybe I'll be using this also.
To connect
for
to
my
people.
work.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
never know. You never know. But अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ आया है ना,
Mhm.
your mind can think it,
Mhm.
you can do it, and when you do it, it will be for a cause. ये तुमको आगे मिलना ही मिलना है कोई. That is my message for COVID.
Mhm.
And as
Right.
far as my journey is concerned, आपको बताया, it was an uncharted thing. I suddenly, और
Mhm.
मेरी जितनी भी हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी मैंने सीखी है
Yeah.
वो बाद में,
Mhm.
because I became so passionate
Mhm.
for two things. A, I was passionate about whatever I do, I must do properly.
Totally. Right. Right.
That is one.
Uh-huh.
Whatever, या तो get the best या make the best, वो वाला हमारा plan.
Mhm. Mhm.
दूसरा, as an air hostess, I don't know whether you remember, in the early 70s, नाइरोबी में से ईदी अमीन ने सबको निकाला था, सारे इंडियंस को निकाला, सारे माइग्रेंट्स को. I don't know whether you were born at that time. You seem very young. Okay,
Yeah.
तो
Mhm.
and जो भी थे देखने में इंडियन लगते थे, लेकिन
Mhm.
उनको पूछो तो बोलते थे no, I'm not an Indian.
Mhm.
तो मुझे लगता था why are they so embarrassed to say I'm an Indian?
Mhm.
And when I started doing tourism,
Mhm.
Sanjay ji, the first time when I went on a tour to South India, Bombay से हम South India जाते थे, because 10 years I was in Bombay,
जी जी.
and then after that I went to Delhi. So
Mhm.
we used to go to South, and I saw those temples of Halibid and Belur and you know all that, and Madurai and all those temples I saw, Chennai.
Mhm.
I started crying.
Mhm.
I said, my country is so beautiful and so rich,
Mhm.
and why are people ashamed to say they are Indians? ये
Wow.
कैसे, ये क्या बनाया है, ये किसने
Wow.
बनाया है?
Wow.
And that pride, you know,
Mhm.
और आपको भी होता होगा that when you
Absolutely,
discover
absolutely.
something really nice,
Absolutely.
something new,
Mhm.
you get so enthusiastic, you want to share it. अरे तुम भी कर लो, अरे तुम भी कर लो.
Right. Right. Uh-huh. Mhm.
So that is what has driven me.
Mhm.
You know, my pride of the country has been my inspiration, to be very honest. My
Wow.
enthusiasm
Wow.
to show what I discovered. And I said,
Wow.
नहीं, ये सबको दिखाना है, ये सबको दिखाना है, ये इनको भी. And I show them all those little corners and they say, Meena, how do you see all that?
Mhm.
You know, और हवा में हम कहानी बना लेते.
Right.
Like what is not there, I tell them, just imagine.
Mhm. Mhm.
When I go to Jaipur, like when I go to the Amer Fort and I
Mhm.
take them in the center, I
Mhm.
tell them, okay, वहाँ पर लोग 5 मिनट में निकल जाते हैं. मेरा आधा घंटा लगता है. I tell them sit. Now I'll tell you. I just imagine the thing is there. He is watching. सारी रानियां यहाँ पर घूम रही हैं, dressed in their best so that they catch his attention. And he looks at and he says, "Okay, today I shall spend the evening with that one with the green." और वो सब ऐसे ऐसे नाचते, you know, they are like preening themselves. अब आप imagine करो, just sit here and imagine, or just roam around silently, बोलना नहीं, बात नहीं कर रहा, just realize. You know, and go around here. I'm giving you 10-15 minutes. Go around. Imagine, see the nice things, take pictures, and keep on imagining. मैं यहाँ बैठी, and believe me, they come back and they say, "Meena, you brought the whole fort alive."
True. You just did in front of us. You just did.
Yeah. You can't go to Qutub Minar and just say ये 74.5 meters tall है, इसका diameter इतना है, ये बनाया था, ये बना. अरे यार, पता है कितने लोग काम करते थे, रैंप बनाया, कुछ लोग गिरते थे, कुछ लोग पड़ते थे, इतने भारी भारी पत्थर लेकर आते थे. Just imagine, visualize. लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, मीना 35 years you're working, बोर नहीं हुई? मैंने कहा कैसे बोर होंगे यार? Because I am not seeing this. I am seeing the people's reaction now to what they are seeing. And everybody's reaction is different, you know.
Right.
So ये सब बातें हैं, you know. These are things which have driven me.
Wow.
And one big thing is my pride of the country. I am very proud of my culture. I'm very proud of my country. More than 70, this is what I am informed, that more than 70% of Southeast Asia's cultural, historical, architectural, archaeological heritage is in India. कितना है दिखाने को? Can you not be proud of your country? तुम खाली garbage देख के, नंगे बच्चे देखकर वो सब परेशान होते हो, क्या उसके बियॉन्ड तुम्हें कुछ नहीं नजर आता? Go through the layers.
Yeah.
So this is what. This has been my journey. My journey is basically a journey of pride.
Great, you know? Great.
जो लोग मुझे देखते हैं ना, they say, Meena, when we see you walking with your group, the way you walk, as if you're in charge of everything. I said, yes, I am, because I'm so proud of what I'm going to show them.
You mentioned everything is destiny, there's destined towards better and better things. So there's a bad phase come, but that has been destined for something better, and that is a great message for COVID-19 people, because there's so much moaning and groaning, there's so much negativity. Everybody's trying to spread that, and when you hear these kind of things, a new breeze, a new feel come out of that, which is positivity and destiny, and say, hey, there is something there better, end of the tunnel, end of this thing happening, and wait for that positively, learn it. That inspiration, you moved to a very notable part of some of the tours, like I see your profile that going to being part of Discovery Channel, and not only that, part of Bill Clinton entourage. And that is amazing. I mean, tell us more about that. I mean, it's because the audience need to know from that inspiration how you turn out to go something really bigger in the industry.
You know, ये जब भी assignment आया था, तो the travel agent was wearing kid gloves. Madam, प्लीज संभाल के, मैडम प्लीज आप अपने मन की करते हो, मैडम इनको ये VIP है, फलाना है, ये ऐसे, कहीं कंप्लेन ना आ जाए, कहीं ये ना हो जाए, कहीं वो. मैंने कहा अच्छा आपने बोल लिया है, अब रुक जाओ. 2 हाथ पैर वाले इंसान हैं. बाकी आप अभी एक साइड में हो जाओ और देखो. लेट मी टॉक टू कि उन्होंने क्या, बिकॉज सी एक हमारा एज अ गाइड एक और भी काम होता है, दैट वी हैव टू sell apples to somebody who wants to eat apples, and we have to sell mangoes to who wants to eat mangoes. You cannot say नहीं तुम apple मत खाओ, तुम mango खाओ. तुम suggest कर सकते हो, but you cannot force them to नहीं तुम ये नहीं ये खाओ. So similarly, I said let me talk to them. मैंने उनसे बात की. I said, भाई आप क्या देखोगे? What would you want to see? What do you want to do? You know? They said, what do you have to show? I said, my God, it's a very ambitious question. I have so much to show. I have my people, I have my culture, I have my bazaars, I have my monuments, I have my temples, I have everything. क्या देखना है आपको? So, name it and I'll produce it for you. You know, it's like that. तो वो बोले कि we love people.
Wow.
And we love culture.
Wow.
I said, बस तो फिर ठीक है. You love people. हाँ, मेरे को एक specific instruction दी गई थी. इनको है ना पुरानी दिल्ली में गलियों में मत ले जाना.
Mr. Bill Clinton and family and Miss Hillary Clinton as well, right?
Them get down anywhere on the streets of Old Delhi. Just take them to Jama Masjid, fort and that. I said, चला सिर्फ जामा मस्जिद देखा, फोर्ट देखा तो देखा क्या? You know?
Right.
So I said, okay, fine. So जब मैंने बात की, so they said we love people, we love this. I said, are you fond of photography? I said, yeah. So I said, okay, I'm going to take you on a photo tour. You know. हम पुरानी दिल्ली गए, मस्जिद पहुंचे, वहां से हमने रिक्शा करी और हम उनको ले गए और हमने रिक्शा वाले को बोल दिया कि बहुत धीरे जाना ताकि ये फोटोज ले सकें और हम सबसे आगे जाएंगे, जिसने जहां रुकना होगा हम जब रुकेंगे तो रुका देना, राइट? जहां सुटेबल लगेगा हमको रोक सकते हैं, हम बोलेंगे रुकने को, वहां रुका देंगे क्योंकि हम उनको दिखाएंगे. And I showed them all that.
Wow.
And of course बाद में लाल किला था, ये था, वो था, पर भी हमने अपना ड्रामाबाजी शुरू कर दिया. I'm called the drama queen also. तो हमने अपना ड्रामाबाजी वहाँ भी शुरू, लाल किले में भी मैंने बोला देखो रानियां जा रही हैं यहाँ, वो बाजार लग रहा है, फ्राइडे मार्केट लग रहा है. आप सोचो कि उनको छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है, सिर्फ फ्राइडे को निकल रही है. आप सोचो सारी रानियां यहाँ आ गई हैं. आप देखो, इमेजिन करो, आ रही है वो सामने से आ रही है, देखो, यू नो. तो वो सब किया and we went back to the hotel. क्लाइंट ने बोला, एजेंट ने बोला हाफ डे का है बस आपका, राइट? तो they said okay, चलो. हमने बोला हो गया, हमारा काम खत्म. बोले no, we have the full afternoon to ourselves. What are we doing? I said, I told that you are doing only half a day. They said nothing doing. We want to see more. We want to see more stories and more this and more that.
Wow.
तो हम ले गए उनको हनुमान मंदिर ले गए, उनको इधर उधर.
Bill Clinton family, really? Wow.
बिल क्लिंटन की पूरी फैमिली नहीं थी, उनकी एक बिटिया थी.
Okay. Yeah.
वो भी थी और वो भी सबके साथ में लग गई. तो मैंने उसको एक साइड में लेकर बोला, मैंने कहा देखो मेरे बारे में ना तुम कंप्लेन करोगी तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मुझे बोला गया था कि तुमको ये सब नहीं करवाना है. What rubbish? Who told you that? ऐसे रवि जिसने भी बोला था, दोनों जाने दो, तुम्हें दिखा रहे ना, तुम देखो. तो एक बिटिया थी, तो and she was the one who was so enthusiastic और उसके पीछे पीछे नेचुरली सारे लग गए. फिर नेक्स्ट डे के लिए हमने बोला अच्छा हमारा काम आज खत्म होता है. बोले बट टुमारो मॉर्निंग. I said no, tomorrow you're going on your private jet, so you will be going, so I have nothing to do. They said no, you have to come with us, and we will start a little early. We want to buy a few things also. I said but I was told not to go with you for shopping because you want to do it on your own. I said no, we want you to come with us. ट्रैवल एजेंट को फोन किया, मैंने कहा भाई ये बात हो रही है, आप इनसे बात करें. तो वो बोले मीना जी एक काम करिए, वो बोल रहे हैं तो प्लीज चले जाइए आप. I said okay fine. The next day the travel agent came to me with his hands folded. बोला मीना जी आपने किया क्या, बताओ. तो बेसिकली मैंने किया क्या, अगेन संजय जी वही बात है. मैंने आई एम एंथुसियास्टिक, मुझे एक्साइटमेंट होती है, ये भी है, ये भी दिखा दो, ये भी दिखा दो, चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं, इट विल बी फन. come, I'll take. When I took them on the cycle rickshaw, do you know what did I tell them? I said, did you ever go piggyback on your big brother or big sister? Did you go behind your on the double seat with your big brother on the cycle?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take you there, piggyback.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take you on the second seat. Somebody is going to cycle you around.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just like your big brother or big sister took you around cycling. So also now. Oh, really? Sanjay ji,
Yeah.
the one thing that we don't understand very often is that India is something which they cannot even imagine.
Right.
वो जब आते हैं ना, तो they come like Alice in Wonderland. ओ भगवान, ये शुरू में I used to feel very stupid कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, cow on the road, या elephant on the road, cow on the road. इसमें कौन सी नई बात है भाई? Then I started thinking from their mind. This is the second thing which has taken me through. Is getting into their mind. Then I realized कि यार इनके लिए तो cow on the road is cow on the road. Oh my God, cow on the road. Oh my God, elephant on the road. इनके लिए ordinary नहीं है, इनके लिए special है. So we have to understand them. So that is the second thing that took me through my journey. That I have started looking at things through their eyes, thinking through their mind, right? And taking them along.
Wow. Great experience to hear. I mean, this is such a lovely experience overall. And you had always tried to do something very different and odd, just apni man ki suno sort of. And, now in this time, right, and this COVID-19 is coming, is here. After that, this thing will go away. But there will be some hygiene standard will be adopted here, right? So for the tourists or tours, what do you suggest do you see that there's a stricter hygiene requirement will be coming, or no, we'll come back? So what are your advice there to the tour guides as such?
As far as we Indians are concerned, Sanjay ji, I'm sure even you know, कि सुच्चा जूठा का कॉन्सेप्ट हमारे इंडिया में आज 5000 साल से है. You know what is सुच्चा जूठा? जूठन. किसी का जूठन नहीं खाते. Right. तो ये कोविड में भी तो यही बताया है ना कि जूठन को हाथ नहीं लगाते, किसी के छुए को हाथ नहीं लगाते. तो ये हमारे लिए ये कॉन्सेप्ट नया नहीं है. लेकिन इनको समझाना, तो अगर हमारे लिए नया नहीं है तो हमारे लिए इनको समझाना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. As it is, जब even when COVID was not there, I used to tell them that see, you think you're falling sick because of water you drink or food that you eat. No, it's not true. You are falling sick because of many other factors. एक तो तुम कुत्ता देखते हो तो तुम उसके पीछे पड़ जाते हो, उसको उठाओगे, उसको छुओगे. बच्चे देखते हो, do you know where the child had his hand or where that person had his hand before it came to you to shake? वो पता नहीं कहाँ वो उसका हाथ जा रहा था. वो टॉयलेट गया था, उसने पता नहीं हाथ धोया कि नहीं धोया, क्योंकि उसकी सेंस ऑफ हाइजीन उतनी नहीं है. तो आप प्लीज इसका ख्याल रखें. अब सारा दिन हम लोग जाते हैं कहीं रेलिंग पे, कहीं किस पे, कहीं इस पे हम लोग हाथ लगाते हैं. तो फॉर गॉड सेक यू कीप योर सैनिटाइजर्स विथ यू. ये हम कोविड के नहीं, कोविड से पहले की बात करते हैं. प्लीज सैनिटाइज योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग, बिकॉज आपने पता नहीं कहाँ हाथ लगाया. वो बच्चा या वो एडल्ट भी जो आपको हाथ मिलाने आया, एक तो उसको हाथ नहीं मिलाना चाहिए, नमस्ते करना चाहिए. आप प्लीज जब कोई हाथ भी मिलाए ना, आप उसको नमस्ते करो. दिस आई हैव बीन टेलिंग पीपल बिफोर कोविड. तो मेरे लिए ये तो नॉर्मल है ये बताना उनको. एंड फॉर गॉड सेक डोंट टच थिंग्स ऑन द रोड. कुत्ता है, बिल्ली है, बच्चा है, बड़ा है, हाथ मत मिलाओ किसी से, हाथ मत लगाओ, बट
Right.
कुत्ते को हाथ मत लगाओ, उसको कुछ खाने को देना है दूर से दो, हाथ मत
Right.
लगाओ.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to be careful about this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
खाना पीना इज ओके, मास्क पहनना इज ओके, लेकिन उसके बियॉन्ड जाइए आप,
Mm-hmm. Wow.
राइट?
Wow. Wow.
भीड़ नहीं करनी है, भीड़ में मत घुसो,
Right.
दूरी रहो. ये तो नॉर्मल है ना हमारा,
Right.
ऐसे
Right.
भी हम इनको भीड़ में नहीं लेकर जाते.
Right.
So these are things, and at the same time, at least I do that because I have been doing alternative education. तो मैं इनको ना थोड़ा वो भी देती रहती हूँ,
Mm-hmm.
साथ साथ.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is this.
हम्म.
वो कहानियां सुनाती रहती हूँ, वो पॉइंट्स देती रहती हूँ. You know, this इनको एक तो ये आते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि you don't know how stressed our life is. तुम
Mm-hmm.
लोग तो बड़े आराम से जीते हो.
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे एक बार हमने पूछा कि स्ट्रेस मतलब आपके लिए क्या?
Mm-hmm.
You know, your life is so easy, this, that.
हम्म.
हमको तो 10 चीजें करनी होती हैं.
Mm-hmm.
I said stop.
Mm-hmm.
आपको लगता है मेरी लाइफ इतनी इजी है आपके
हम्म.
साथ काम करने में?
Mm-hmm.
मुझे इसका सबके बारे में सोचना पड़ता है.
Mm-hmm.
आई एम वर्किंग लाइक यू.
Mm-hmm.
ओके, एक तो ये. सो माई लाइफ इज नॉट वेरी लेड बैक,
Mm-hmm.
माई प्रोफेशन इज नॉट लेड बैक. और दूसरी चीज ये, तुम बोलते हो 10 चीजें, एक मैं तुम्हें 3 काम देती हूँ, तुम मुझे वो 3 काम एक साथ में करके दिखाना.
Right.
नहीं होता.
Right.
Eventually you have to prioritize and you have to do them one by one.
Wow. True. True.
ये अगर तुमने ये सीख लिया ना तो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेस खत्म हो जाएगा.
Right. Right.
Because I do show it practically to them. I said okay, ये 3 काम है, आप मुझे एक साथ करके दिखाइए. तो वो जब करते हैं तो पहले ये करते हैं, फिर ये करते हैं, वो फिर ये करते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
मैंने बोला आपने क्या किया? You did it one by one. पौड़ी पौड़ी चलते जाओ, जय माता दी कहते जाओ.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Right?
So it is great. And yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, पौड़ी
Yeah,
पौड़ी
so
चलते
yes,
जाओ, जय माता
yes,
दी कहते
yes.
जाओ.
Yes.
You cannot go 4 steps together.
Exactly. Rohit, isn't that inspiring, right? I mean, that's pretty inspiring here.
In fact, quite inspiring. And like us, there's a many tour guides, they get inspired from Mrs. Veena Tilakraj. And
Right.
her knowledge about the places, she speaks many languages and she works such a perfection. And we are really wondering like from where you get this inspiration to be so perfect in your work.
Inspiration to be perfect नहीं है. My inspiration is to love what I'm doing. और जब भी तुम प्यार से करते हो ना तो वो अच्छा होता ही है. You know?
And I add to my question, like, and definitely some of the tour guides, they want to understand what's the message you have to those tour guides.
Message for tour guides, I will say कि सबसे पहले तुम ये सोचो कि तुम टूर गाइड हो. गाइड पता है क्या होता है? एक गुरु की तरह होता है, एक रास्ता दिखाने वाला. उनको बहकाओ मत कि तुम्हारा फोकस सारा है कि पैसा बनाना है, दुकान पे ले जाना है, या ये करना है, वो करना है. The thing is that you have to know that अगला आया है, क्यों आया है. Please understand why the traveler has come to you. Has he come to you for shopping? क्या वो शॉपिंग टूर कर रहा है? तो फिर तो तुम उसके ऊपर जोर दो. लेकिन अगर वो कंट्री देखने आया है तो प्लीज फोकस ऑन व्हाट ही वांट्स टू डू. उसके बाद में तुम अपना देखो. Always remember that you are representing your travel agency, you are representing your culture, you are representing yourself. You know, ये सब आप represent कर रहे हो. ट्रैवल एजेंट को represent कर रहे हो, तुम कंट्री को represent करते हो, सब कुछ कर रहे हो. तो तुम उसकी तरफ ध्यान दो. Because if you do it, there is something known as, I always say, there is something known as collective consciousness and collective destiny. एक गाइड जब अपना काम खराब करता है ना, अब ये सोचो कि उसके साथ जितने भी ट्रैवलर्स थे, उसको रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन मिलता है. तुम्हारी
Right.
ट्रैवल एजेंसी का काम बिगड़ता है और उनको कंप्लेन्स आती हैं, राइट? उनको लॉस होती, वो घर जाता है, वो 10 लोगों को बोलता है, वो लोग आगे 100 लोगों को बोलेंगे, जस्ट लाइक कोविड, एक से पता नहीं कितने लोगों को होता है, तो वो होगा। ट्रैवल एजेंट का उतना बिजनेस कम हो जाता है, ट्रैवल एजेंट के ऑफिस में जितने लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनका नुकसान होता है, जो बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, दुकानदार है, ट्रांसपोर्टर है, रिक्शा वाला है, वेंडर है, उसका नुकसान होता है, उतने लोग कम आते हैं। तो एक जने के काम खराब करने से कितने लोगों को इफेक्ट होता है? भाई साहब, एक सवाल है आपसे। प्रसाद था ना, मेरे बाप का बेटा नहीं था और ना ही वो मेरा बेटा, लेकिन उसने जो काम किया उससे मेरी दुनिया बदल गई, मेरी दुनिया में फर्क आ गया। राइट और रॉन्ग?
Right.
एक जने ने किया, कितने लोगों को फर्क पड़ा? पूरी कंट्री को फर्क पड़ा। तो आप एक गाइड हो, आपको इतना बड़ा तगमा मिला है, आप गाइड हो, यू नो। अच्छा, एक तो ये है कि यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर योर रोल। दूसरा, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि ट्रैवलर जो है ना, वो सिर्फ कंट्री देखने के लिए नहीं आता है, उसके और भी बहुत सारे, you know, somebody is running away from some situation, so he wants to take a break. किसी के लाइफ में कुछ हो गया, वो उससे भाग रहा है, वो भूलना चाहता है। किसी का ब्रेकअप हो गया मैरिज में, वो या लव अफेयर में, उसके लिए भाग रहा है। कोई फेल हो गया एग्जाम में, उसके लिए भाग रहा है। कोई किसी का बिजनेस का लॉस हुआ है, वो उससे भाग रहा है। You know, there are many people who are escaping from something or the other. I have realized this. मैं बात करती हूँ, मैं पूछती हूँ लोगों को, आप क्यों ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आप क्यों ट्रैवल कर रहे हो? Almost 30 to 40% people are running away from something or the other. So please understand कि तुम अपना personal, like I'll tell you, मेरे पापा, I had met him 10 days before the tour also. And I knew that he is going. I knew that this would be my last visit. During the tour, मैं अजमेर पहुंची और वहां पर a substitute came from Jaipur. And he said, आपसे बात करनी। And the moment he came, he said, I asked him, I said, you come with your tour? He was a colleague. तो नहीं, आपसे बात करनी। तो वो बोलने लगा कि I have come for you. I have a message for you. The moment he said, I have a message for you, I said, पापा गए? तो हम ठंडे हो गए। अब मेरे साथ में एक टूरिस्ट खाली खड़ा था, हमने चेक इन कर दिया था सबका, and I had sent them off. Okay, and he said, आपको घर बुलाया है, घर जाना है, तो that's why. So for a moment, naturally, I froze. And then, now this fellow was listening. So I told him, I said, please ruko. I want to call my mother. I spoke to my mother. My mother said, तुम काम छोड़कर नहीं आओगी. Papa never wanted you to leave your work half done. Also, अभी सारे लोग हैं. तुम्हारा जब टूर खत्म होगा, तब तक ये लोग सारे लोग चले जाएंगे. I will be all alone. I will need you then. टूर खत्म करके आओ, कैसे करोगी वो तुम जानती हो, अपने आप को संभाल लो और चुपचाप टूर खत्म करके आओ, काम मत छोड़ के आओ। ऐसे रोक। हम अजमेर शरीफ गए, हमने पापा के नाम का वहां बैग में चढ़ा दिया। एंड आई टोल्ड दिस पर्सन, आई सेड माय मदर डजंट वांट मी टू कम बैक, आई विल कंटिन्यू। ठीक है। इस बंदे ने सुना, दूसरे ने, वो बोला मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ। मैंने कहा आप किसी को कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, बिकॉज सबको बोलना मतलब कि there will be an atmosphere of mourning in the group. They have not come for mourning, they have come to do a tour. तो आप कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, आप मेरे पास में बैठे रहते हो। The only thing that you can do is sometimes if I get emotional, you just take the mic from me और तुम अपना कुछ ना कुछ बोलना शुरू कर देते। पर किसी को कुछ बताना नहीं, because nobody is going to sit for mourning with you. Okay? So he said, मीना तुम कमाल की हो, anyway I'll try. He did it. Tour went Nobody came to know anything. Last day उस बंदे से रहा नहीं गया. And he told everybody what had happened. And do you know, I had everybody hugging me and crying with me, and they said, Meena, this is the limit of professionalism that you have shown. So this is why I'm telling you this, not to say I'm great. I'm telling you this to tell you कि professionalism इस तरह होती है. You, when you're in a job ना, उस वक्त तुम्हें ये समझना है कि तुम्हारे जॉब की डिमांड क्या है. तुम उस वक्त अपनी डिमांड नहीं डाल सकते. You have to understand your job and you have to understand your client. तुमने ये समझना, ये 10 बार सवाल पूछेंगे, अरे यार तुमको रोजी रोटी मिल रही है इनसे, बिकॉज इनको लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, तुमको काम मिल रहा है, बिकॉज ये समझते नहीं है, इनको पता नहीं है, इसलिए तुमको काम मिला. तो अगर ये एक सवाल 10 बार भी पूछते हैं ना, आंसर है नेवर माइंड. एंड ये भी सोचो कि इंडिया क्या है इनके लिए, इनकी इमेजिनेशन के परे है. तो यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट देम नॉट टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन एंड बी ओके विद इट. नहीं, एक बच्चा जब भी थोड़ा बड़ा होता है ना, वो पूछता है स्काई ब्लू क्यों है, तुम बोलोगे ये तो हमेशा ब्लू है, ये कौन सा नया क्वेश्चन है? तुम ये बोलोगे बच्चे को? तुम नहीं, उसके लिए ये दुनिया नहीं है. सिमिलरली फॉर द टूरिस्ट ऑल्सो दिस वर्ल्ड इज न्यू. तुम समझो एंड कंपैशन रखो, बी एम्पैथेटिक, यू नो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड.
And now, I mean, that's really an inspiration. I mean, to learn professionally, we are learning quite a bit. Now, since we are, no, it is. I mean, it is. It's not simple. I mean, on the other side, we can hear, but doing that thing is definitely. I don't know how do you do that. I mean, it's very, very tough. Now, since we are about to wrap up our call in few minutes, I had some more questions for you. You are very, very active in the women empowerment, and you had the campaign "It's Never Too Late." Tell us more about that, so that we learn out.
संजय जी, woman ठीक है, मैं बोलती हूँ man is also important. लेकिन ज्यादा बात woman की इसलिए होती है क्योंकि मैन को तो अपनी इंपॉर्टेंस मिलती रहती है, लेकिन वुमन को अपनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं मिलती, और उसकी जिम्मेदार वो खुद, सिर्फ खुद और खुद. थोड़ा बहुत सोसाइटी है, लेकिन आई वुड से इट्स एन 80-20 थी या 70-30 थी. 30% सोसाइटी की मिस्टेक है, 70% वुमन की मिस्टेक. उसने अपने आप को ही इतना इंफीरियर समझ लिया, तो बात ही क्या है. And the reason behind it is because she does not understand the concept of feminine, divine feminine consciousness. Absolutely. You know, and I have also created a workshop on that. Swayam Siddha Code 9. Okay, this code is about the 9 attributes, natural attributes, which tell you how do you know, why do you say you're a woman? If you're a woman, what does that mean? It does not mean that your body is of a woman only. It means many more things. There are mental, emotional, physical attributes to being a woman.
Right.
And each attribute has a strength, has a power. वो तुम्हारा इनर पावर है, जहां तुम उसको समझ. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ सिंपल थिंग, बेसिक थिंग, लाइक अ फेमिनाइन चार्म. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ब्यूटी, माइंड यू, आई एम सेइंग फेमिनिनिटी, औरतपना, to be a woman, you know, to walk in a certain way, you know, that grace, that charm. अब ये सोचो कि वो ग्रेस और चार्म में कितना पावर है. जब यंग लड़के देखते हैं ना एक लड़की को जाते हुए उस ग्रेस और चार्म से, उनकी तो बैंड बज जाती है. राइट और रॉन्ग? राइट और रॉन्ग?
राइट, या. एक
बहुत सुंदर शायरी मुझे याद आ रही है, जिसने कहा बस नजरें उठी और नजरें झुकी, बस इतने में ही हम तमाम. छोटे से शायरी है,
हम्म,
नजरें उठी और नजरें झुकी, बस इतने में ही हम बर्बाद, इतने में ही हम बर्बाद। I laughed and laughed when I read this शायरी for the first time. It has just stuck in my mind. कि देखो कि इतनी सी बात, उसकी इतनी ही ग्रेस, उसकी इतनी चार्म से एक बंदे को क्या हो जाता है। वो बोलता है मैं बर्बाद हो गया, राइट?
wow, yeah,
तुम सोच सकते हो कि तुम्हारे अंदर कितना पावर है, राइट?
right.
वो हेलेन ऑफ ट्रॉय थी who launched 99 ships just
Right.
her nose,
Right.
right?
Mhm.
तो वुमन का इतना पावर है, और तुम उस पावर को छोड़ के तुम what man is doing, you are trying to do just to show that you are equal to him, just to show that you are
Mhm.
नहीं। फॉर्म एंड फंक्शन से हमारी बॉडी अलग है, हमारा सिस्टम अलग है, हमारा माइंडसेट अलग है, मैन का अलग। तो तुम वो करो ना। हम ये नहीं बोलते कि सारी औरतें घर में बैठ के चूल्हा चौका करें, ये नहीं बोलते। वुमन कैन ऑल्सो गो टू वर्क। इन फैक्ट वुमन इज अ मल्टीटास्कर।
True.
घर में देखो ना, वो हिसाब भी लेती है, वो कुकिंग भी करती है, वो बीमार को भी देखती है, वो घर को भी मैनेज करती है, वो बाहर के लोगों को भी मैनेज करती है, कितनी चीजें मैनेज करती है।
Right.
तो वो रिस्क लेती है। the pain of childbirth
Yeah.
is equivalent to the pain of 10 heart attacks.
Wow.
It is much more than a heart attack.
Wow.
And yet वो एक बच्चे के बाद में दूसरे बच्चे को जन्म देने को तैयार है। वो भूल गई, उसने छोड़ दिया। Why?
Wow.
Because
Wow.
उसमें भूलने की और माफ करने की क्षमता है, उसमें उतनी झेल जाने की ताकत है।
Wow.
जितना एक औरत झेल सकती है, एक आदमी उतना नहीं झेल सकता। तो ये तुम भूल रही हो। एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि don't give up yourself. Don't think yourself is inferior. Please rise up to your own power and believe me, the nation will progress because a woman alone can change the destiny of a nation. बाप important है, he is the provider. लेकिन mother is the first guru. She is the first
Right.
love affair of the child.
Right.
You know, I as a child used to tell my mother, I want to get married to you. It's not only boys. It's not only boys. Even for a girl, her first love affair is with her mother. Imagine, and my mother used to tell me, लड़कियां लड़कियों के साथ नहीं शादी। I used to tell her, I want to get married to you because I love you very much. You know? So, why I'm saying this is कि इतना strong होता है। A woman can do, हम लोग हमारी फैमिली सब कुछ छोड़ के पाकिस्तान से आई। We were very well known family in Pakistan. Like छोटे नवाब होते हैं जैसे वैसे थे, लेकिन सब कुछ छोड़ के आए सिर्फ 4 कपड़े लेकर। बैग्स में कुछ सामान लेकर आए थे, वो भी रास्ते में चोरी हो गए। You know, so we had nothing. And my father had to start from the beginning. And he was an epitome of honesty. तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं चोरी चकारी ठगी करके मैंने कुछ नहीं कमाना, और ना ही मैंने कुछ लेकर कमाना। मैंने किसी के आगे हाथ भी नहीं फैलाना, मेरी मेहनत से जो भी होगा बस। तो my mother insisted that we study. हमारी फैमिली में सब बोल रहे थे इनको सरकारी स्कूल में डाल दो, वो फ्री होते हैं। But my mother said no. My children will go to a convent school. उस वक्त convent school सबसे ज्यादा होता है, सबसे बढ़िया होता था। तो हमको हमारी एजुकेशन ने ही आगे लाया है, राइट? तो आगे हम now you asked me about the other thing about social this. So a friend of mine and myself, even my friend comes from the same kind of background. We are running a school for 200 street children, free of cost. They are not contributing even 1 rupee in Khajuraho.
Wow, Khajuraho. Okay.
हम लोग स्कूल चला रहे हैं। अभी वो स्कूल बंद है इसके लॉकडाउन की वजह से। And because we don't, और हम लोग अपने पॉकेट में से चला रहे हैं। From our own whatever earnings we have, we are earning, हमारे महीने का खर्चा 60 से 70 हजार का है और वो हम अपनी जेब में से कर रहे हैं। लेकिन अभी आप ये सोचिए कि लॉकडाउन है, काम नहीं है, जो कुछ हमारी सेविंग्स हैं उसका हमने अपने खर्चे भी चलाने हैं और हमारी अर्निंग्स के हिसाब से ना अपने हमारे EMIs हैं, ये है वो भी जाना है। तो अभी हम घबरा रहे हैं कि अब कैसे करेंगे, स्कूल कैसे चलाएंगे। तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ हमको जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा। We will have to do some crowd funding, some this funding, that funding, वो तो खैर अलग बात है। लेकिन we are doing that. And why did we choose Khajuraho? Because Khajuraho is a small place and it is a touristic place. हमारा गोल था कि हम pilgrimage place या touristic place में करेंगे, right? Because this is where women and children are exploited the most at pilgrimage places and tourist places. आप देखिए ना, खजुराहो की जितनी पॉपुलेशन है, करीब 10-12,000 की पॉपुलेशन, 60 to 70% of them are into the field of tourism, not legitimate. कोई भिखारी है टूरिस्ट के आगे, कोई पिकपॉकेट है, कोई छोटे छोटे सामान बेच रहे हैं, 10 रुपए का सामान 200 रुपए में बेच रहा है, कोई तो ऐसे ही टूरिस्ट के पीछे लग जाते हैं, you know. एंड मेरे सामने हुआ है, गिव मी योर वॉच, आई डोंट हैव अ वॉच, गिव मी दिस, गिव मी अ पेन, गिव मी दिस, मतलब ऐसे मांगते हैं। ऐसे बच्चों को हमने पकड़ के स्कूल में डाला है और अभी 200 बच्चे हो गए। शुरुआत में हमने जब 2005 में शुरू किया था, उस वक्त सिर्फ हमारे पास 12 या 18 बच्चे थे और वो भी नहीं आ रहे थे। तो उनकी फैमिलीज बोली ये लोग तो भीख मांग के तो पैसा तो कमा ही लेते हैं हम। तो हमने every month, because they were not going there, we told them no, they will not do that. तो वो बोले फिर पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? We paid them every month. हर महीने उनको हमने पैसा दिया to send their children to school. और उनको देखा देखी आज 200 बच्चे हो गए। So we are running that. I'm doing these courses. Okay. I'm also doing my workshops also. And plus for women I'm doing, right? And एक और भी चीज है कि लोग, I don't know why, right from the beginning I used to see people not respecting their life, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, अपनी बॉडी के साथ कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं। अरे, do you understand how precious life is and body is? And I used to, as a young girl, I used to say, यार ये कर क्या रहे हैं? Why is a person just sitting idle? हमें अच्छा लगता था, How can you waste your time? I'll tell you something very nice. What is life? Life is an opportunity.
True. Yeah.
What is age? Age is a time span, not time limit. Time limit नहीं है, time span. Body and mind, they are your tools.
Absolutely. Yes. Agreed. Yes.
So you have an opportunity and a time span to do whatever you want and become whatever you want.
Mind blowing. Yeah. Wow.
तुम जो चाहो बन सकते हो. And you today, Sanjay Parihar and Rohit, at this moment, you are the result of all that you did up to now. आपने अपना टाइम कैसे यूटिलाइज किया till this moment?
Right.
This moment, what you are is a result of that.
Right.
And mind you, आगे भी जाके, it depends on your choices. Your mind will help you to do the choices and whatever your priorities, and your body will be the vehicle with which you do, and you will keep becoming as per your choices. अब आपके ऊपर है, what do you want to become, or what you work to become.
What to become?
It's up to you. So this is the definition. तो ये तो आप तो लेट नहीं हो ना. It's never too late. Start now.
Start now.
अभी शुरू करो. अरे यार वो टाइम हो गया. अरे एज क्या है? Forget it ना. I'm 69 और मैं अभी भी भागती हूँ.
Oh, really?
Why can't you?
You're
I
running?
run. I go for running. I go for 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers. मैं भागती हूँ.
Really? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Time up. I do this. I do that. दीवार फांदती हूँ. I still do it. You know, I love dancing. I can dance for 2 to 3 hours without stopping. You know, कोई भी पार्टी होती है, फंक्शन होता है, I'm the first one to go on the stage.
Wow. Wow.
मेरे टूरिस्ट होते हैं मेरे साथ में. आप यकीन मानिए, जब भी हम जयपुर में पहुंचते हैं, आमेर में, वहाँ वो बजा रहे होते हैं. Tell them stop, let's dance, come on. वो जोधपुर में जब भी हम निकलते हैं गेट से बाहर, तो वहाँ पर वो बजा रहे होते हैं. We start dancing over there. रास्ते में I make them get down from the bus. Are you very tired? Let's get down. Let's do a few movements. Come on. You can do so much, you know. To keep healthy, to keep active. कुछ भी कर सकते हो. गर्मियों में I have taught them to have दूध soda. You know, I tell the hotel to keep lemon juice ready and to keep some milk with sugar ready. जिसको चाहिए उसमें थोड़ा सा मिल्क और ऊपर से सोडा डाल देते हैं और वो पिलाते हैं ठंडा ठंडा. और बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कूलिंग सोडा के साथ. एंड या फिर उनको फ्रेश लाइम सोडा पिलाते हैं. यू नो, तो anything to get them going, you know. And this is what we do. So it's never too late. Age does not have to stop you. एक certain age के बाद में it is your heart and your mind which drives you. That is what my trainer tells me. मीना जी, आप पैरों से तो नहीं भागती, आप भागती हैं यहाँ से और यहाँ से. You run. भागती होती. That is it. So that is, it's never too late. I tell them, please start now.
Wow.
I must share this one thing. 2 days ago, I did आप अगर Facebook पे जाओगे तो मेरे वीडियोस भी हैं इनके ऊपर. I woke up in the morning and I said 50 news डाला and it was 50 plus. I don't remember how many days. What have I done in these 50 days? मैंने क्या किया है? What have I learned? What new have I done? What extra have I done? What more have I become? और हम अपने आप को कोसने लग गए, डांटने लग गए कि तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, मीना तुमने ये नहीं किया, तुमने वो नहीं किया, तुम ऐसे कर सकती थी. You know? And then like I went into depression for some time, for some 10-15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
Yes, because I started punishing myself. I started fighting myself. And then I said, hold on. You know, the other Meena started telling this Meena, देखो मीना, तुम ऐसे नहीं कर सकती, तुम अपने आप को इतना नहीं तुम सक्सेस कर सकती हो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. आराम से सोचो, तुमने बहुत कुछ किया. You know, then I started thinking, I have done so many videos for people. I'm learning digital work, you know, online work and digital work. I learned how to do Zoom and how to do share and how to do this. तो हमने ये किया, हमने वो किया, मतलब हमने, and best of all, I've learned how to do without a maid. I've learned how to do my own work. So, and then I said, no, okay, fine. Maybe you could do a little more, but never mind, it's done. Now start now, never mind. Abhi, speed.
Start now, never been too late.
So it's never too late. Start.
Wow. Meena ji, one thing I should admit, I mean, of course, some of the things, some of your personality definitely matches with my mother's personality, especially the dancing one and this Juliet, and then like, oh yeah, she's exactly same alive. So it's kind of remind, you know, like I'm kind of like talking to my mother for some part, it is such a beautiful. You have a so magical, so inspiration, and it's a so positive, and you always looking the positive aspect, and that's what you're spreading on. Another thing which I mean, for me personally, great learning about you're bringing the power of woman, the power, you know, like you said, that needs to be instilled in the mind first. That you are, it's not just you need to feel power. You are powerful. You have those 9 discrete things, and which is basically very different from male. And so it's not like women empowerment as such, what people say, but that is already there. There's not something to make up, right? That is already there. You need not to feel. You already are. So this is such an amazing learning, and trust me, I mean, this is we will watch the video again just to get more positivity and learning in our life.
I'm so humbled. मुझे इतना पता है that I'm just enthusiastic. I feel कि जिंदगी मेरे हाथ से slip नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
Let me do whatever I can.
Yeah.
And plus India, I love India. I love my culture. I want
Same here.
to, and this is what the guides should, they should have that thing that I want to show my country. That is the first thing. यार तुम्हारी country कितनी great है. There's no parallel to India. बाकी सब countries में ये country अच्छा, दूसरी country, it is just like India only. It is just like America. It is just like England. It is just like the Arabic countries are all similar. And India का कोई parallel नहीं.
Wow.
And one more thing which which probably you forgot to ask, but Sanjay, but Rohit has put that question. What is your message for the youth? Why don't you have young? Yes.
I just think the idea of putting there are not many young tourists are coming to India, and I want to know from you what's the message you have to them.
अरे बहुत बड़ा message है. I have done tours with groups where the couple has come with their children, and they were young teenage children. Okay, and of course the itinerary was also specifically designed for the young people. And believe me, I have had those parents writing back to me, and even those youngsters wrote back to me that our perspective of life has changed. And we enjoyed our trip. We had so much of fun. We didn't know that we could have fun in India. Oh, there's so much of fun in India, and plus they became so much more sensitive towards life and towards themselves and towards people. That is what their parents told me, that now they value what they have. They've started valuing what they have. When they saw the children without that, for small things, the children were running after us. So and हमारे पास तो इतना सारा है, हम फेंकते रहते. So I have written a few points over here. I'll read them out to you. India has a lot for the youth. There is everything for them: adventure, sports, culture, hobbies, activities, learnings, and everything. In fact, it can be a life-changing experience for most of our young visitors. Not only young, but even the adults. Even for them, many adults have told me that visiting India has been a life-changing experience. And then now they have much more awareness and all. Now, I think a trip of India should be one of the essential things which the youth should be doing during their gap year. They have 1 year of gap year. Do you know what is a gap year?
What is this?
जब भी उनका स्कूल खत्म होता है, so they get 1 year free to learn something, to travel, to do whatever, and then they start university. So that is called gap year. That's a gap year. So what I feel is that this concept of every youth should visit India during their gap year, at least for 2 to 3 months, and they should backpack it out. No luxury hotels. They should backpack it out. The parents should give them only a limited amount for their ticket and a little extra, and for everything else they should work here. Just like the youngsters do everywhere else. And they should go on backpacking, and they should interact with people, with children, with people in general. Stay in small guest houses, even if they are, bilkul ghachad and all that. Never mind. stay, and that 2 to 3 months minimum hona chahiye. That will give them a perspective towards life. And in that, they must visit Varanasi. They must visit Khajuraho. Because Varanasi is about so many things, and Khajuraho is about an attitude towards sex, a mindset towards sex. What does sex actually mean? That is there. मेरी commentary होती है Khajuraho. It's a very, very, very precious commentary which I have developed. कि sex का एक, what is the concept and the aspect of sex in the Indian philosophy, you know, and आज कितनी वो नीचे गिर चुकी है, you know. So it's about that. I'll just put on the light. Just a moment.
Sure, yeah.
So these are the two cities which they must visit. Then they must visit some, and I have prepared a tour also. I call it Milestones of Indian Culture. And you guys, if you want to promote that tour for the youth, I can give that tour to you. Okay? In that, I have included a village also. And if possible, I know I have those contacts. It is possible to also make them have a meal with the dacoits.
Really?
Yes.
Dacoits. Who are the dacoits there?
Chambal ki घाटी
हाँ जी,
उनके साथ, you know, and even in general, you know, village, and they will be doing kheti, and they will be going there and गाय का दूध doing, not in those luxury resorts which now people have made in Rajasthan, but in a very normal average village, staying with families, you know, and things like that I have included in that tour. So they should do a 3-month backpacking traveling in India. They should go to the south, let them go to the north to Ladakh and all that. Let them go to the east in the tribal areas. You know, that way, a 3-month whole thing could be worked out for them for the gap year. Okay? So, and this is not only for foreign children. It should be also for our Indian children. हमारे अपने बच्चे, they have become so insensitive, you know. So, this should be a tour for them also. Believe me, I'm telling you, this one thing can change the youth in the country. अगर ये एक चीज, so youth के लिए बहुत कुछ है. In fact, it can be a life-changing experience for them. Live life. एक बार मुझे किसी ने पूछा था, we were at a party and I was dancing for 2-3 hours. I was dancing. Somebody came and asked me, मीना जी, आपको इतनी एनर्जी किधर से मिलती है? क्या करते हो? कौन सी चक्की का आटा खाती हो? तो मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, I romance with life.
Wow.
I romance with life. तो वो उन्होंने मेरा टैगलाइन बना दिया है.
Yep. Makes sense.
Meena romances with life. So I don't only romance with life, I romance with my tours. I romance with any work that I do.
Meena ji, this is definitely a very, very inspirational. Namaste. Thank you for sharing so much important life aspect. It's definitely a learning experience for us, for tour guides, for many people in the industry, and the people who want to live the life, because you romance with the life. so definitely, and with that, thank you very much for joining the show. Thank you very much.
Very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity. I want to reach out these messages to the rest of the world. Please send them across. Tell them that this is it. Thank you very much. And especially you, Rohit ji. Thank you very much.